Now we have to discuss galvanic cells, representation of electrochemical cells, and electrode potentials. Students, when in the previous video we have discussed how to write the electrochemical cell in a single line. Place a salt bridge, right side for the reduction part and left side for oxidation part. Reduction means cathode and oxidation means anode, right? Now if we have to solve the numericals, if the cell is working, it has been we have already discussed in class 11 the electrode potential value of any cell. If it is comes out to be positive, the cell is working, and when it comes out to be negative, its cell is not working. See students, how we solve the numericals. This is all the revision part of your class 11th. Electrochemical cell is equal to E cathode, electromotive force of cathode rod minus electromotive force of anode rod, right? And when it is comes out to be positive, the cell is working, and when it is comes out to be negative, that means cell is not working. Now the question arises, from where we get the value of EMF of any cell, right? See, if we just want to know the let's take the example of zinc, and I just want to know the value of electromotive force, how it is calculated. See, develop a electrochemical cell. One, this is your zinc rod dipped in a solution of zinc sulfate, and here take hydrogen electrode. Hydrogen electrode is an electrode in which your platinum wire is hanged in HCl solution. Same galvanometer, and they are connected. Here HCl solution, it is dipped in 1 molar HCl solution. Platinum wire is dipped in a solution of HCl. This is the hydrogen electrode, and noted down the value in voltmeter. Noted down the value of the cell. It comes out to be negative. That is the value of EMF of zinc rod, because we are taking hydrogen as a reference electrode to calculate the EMF. Now the question arises, why we are taking the hydrogen as a reference? Because hydrogen has equal tendency to lose or gain the electron. For example, H ion has equal tendency to get converted into hydrogen gas, and hydrogen gas has tendency to convert into hydrogen ion. So its EMF value is 0. So we have taken here hydrogen electrode as a रेफरेंस इलेक्ट्रोड. तो हमें जब भी किसी भी मेटल की ईएमएफ वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट करना होता है, हम हाइड्रोजन को एज ए रेफरेंस इलेक्ट्रोड लेते हैं. और अगर इसकी वैल्यूज़ पॉजिटिव भी आ सकती है और इसकी वैल्यू पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव भी आ सकती है. ये डिपेंड करता है हाइड्रोजन के कंपैरिजन में ये मेटल ऑक्सीडाइज होना प्रेफर कर रहा है या रिड्यूस होना प्रेफर कर रहा है. एंड आपके पास हमने यहाँ पर आपके पास एक सीरीज है जिसका नाम है इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव सीरीज. सॉरी, स्टैंडर्ड रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल of number of metals are calculated at the temperature of 298, and that series is called as electrochemical cell series. This series already given you a value of electrode potential of each and every metal in comparison to hydrogen. It is the series in which metals are arranged in increasing or decreasing order of electrode potential, right? In middle, hydrogen is there. In above side, like lithium is there, it will having the tendency to get converted into lithium metal, and here fluorine at the bottom get converted into fluoride ion. So it shows that lithium, और आपके पास जो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज है उसमें सारे के सारे जो मेटल है वो एज ए रिडक्शन लिए हुए हैं. दैट मीन्स अगर लिथियम की वैल्यू -3.03 वोल्ट है और फ्लोरीन की वैल्यू 2.87 इन पॉजिटिव टर्म है, तो इसका मतलब है नेगेटिव साइन रिप्रेजेंट दैट लिथियम हैज लीस्ट टेंडेंसी टू do reduction and fluorine has greater tendency or maximum tendency to do reduction. So positive and negative sign only shows that in comparison to hydrogen, lithium has no tendency to do reduction, but in comparison to hydrogen, fluorine has high tendency to reduction. So that series is prepared and that series is called as electrochemical series, and that will help us to do the numericals. So that is discussed in class 11th also. See, I am just revising you. See, here we have a equation: zinc plus 2 silver iron gives you zinc plus 2 and 2 silver iron. When we have to solve the numericals, what we have to do? We have to do EMF of the cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. अब आपके पास यहाँ रिडक्शन किसकी हुई है? सिल्वर की वैल्यू की. टेकिंग द वैल्यू इज गिवन इन योर क्वेश्चन पेपर. द प्लेस द वैल्यू ऑफ सिल्वर minus the value of zinc rod. Sorry, and get your answer. So in each and every question you need not to be do this type of representation every time. We have to take the help of electrochemical cell and the value is already given to us and we will easily find out the cell is working or not. Right? So what is the formula? The formula to calculate the working of the cell is E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. बस यहाँ पर आपके पास सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है कि जो वैल्यू ईएमएफ की दी हो वो दोनों टर्म्स में जो वैल्यू दी होगी, जो आपके इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल्स की सीरीज है, उस सीरीज में द वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोपोटेंशियल सेल इज ऑलवेज इन रिडक्शन. राइट? जैसे हम मैथमेटिकल लैंग्वेज में क्या करते हैं, जब भी हम किसी पॉजिटिव टर्म या नेगेटिव टर्म का टोटलिंग करते हैं, सब्सट्रैक्शन करते हैं, तो उस टाइम पे यूनिट शुड बी द सेम. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ कैथोड और एनोड in reduction term so that their units remains same. Right?